Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to send a one-time viewed photo on Telegram, making sure your picture can only be seen once before it disappears forever. This is a great way to keep your private moments secure and add an extra layer of privacy to your chats. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your device and navigate to the chat where you want to send your photo. It could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or even a group chat. Next, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of your chat screen. Tap on it to open up the media options. Here, you can either choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one right on the spot. Once you've selected or snapped your photo, pay attention to the icons that appear before you send it. Find the timer icon, which looks like a little stopwatch, usually near the caption box or at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this timer icon. A menu will pop up, giving you different options for how long your photo will be visible. To make your photo viewable only once, select the View Once option. Then tap Done to confirm your choice. Now you'll see that your photo is marked as a one-time view. All that's left is to tap the Send button, which looks like an arrow, to deliver your photo. That's it. Your recipient will only be able to view the photo a single time. After they open it, the image will disappear from the chat, and they won't be able to access it again. Plus, if they try to take a screenshot, Telegram will notify you, helping to keep your content even more secure. Give this feature a try the next time you want to share something special but private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more helpful Telegram tips and tricks.